Hello everyone and welcome back to Major Circle Trading. Today is FOMC day, one of the most significant trading sessions on the economic calendar. In today's market briefing, we'll analyze the institutional landscape surrounding the US dollar index and the other dollar correlated assets, the GBPUSD, EURUSD and gold. Rather than predicting the outcome of today's announcement, we'll prepare for the high probability institutional scenarios using smart money concepts. And remember, institutions do not react emotionally, they execute around liquidity. And that's exactly what we'll be following today. Before we start analyzing the charts, let us understand today's environment. FOMC announcements typically generate the highest levels of volatility in the forex market. Spreads widen, liquidity shifts, and price frequently performs aggressive liquidity sweeps before establishing direction. And retail traders often mistake these initial moves as the beginning of a trend. Institutional traders frequently use them to fill large positions. That's why patience is one of the most valuable tools you'll have today. So we trade confirmation, not emotion. Beginning on the weekly chart, we can see that price is currently being held at an institutional level. And during the previous pre-market analysis session that we had, I had called out that I was watching the weekly fair value gap to hold and support price towards these monthly fair value gap. So I still want to see higher prices going into the New York PM session, the time where the news is going to be released at 2 p.m. So going down to the daily time frame, we can see what has been happening. Remember that we were having this as the buy side of the curve, and I called to your attention the formation of the bullish break block, which I expected to support price. And as you can see, price has been rejected multiple times at this level. So I am still expecting the same narrative to unfold, whereby price will be respecting this level as it comes for this immediate pool of buy side liquidity. And remember that once we know the direction of the dollar index, analyzing the other correlated assets becomes a very easy task. Now, we cannot rule out the possibility of sales entering the market because we normally operate on probabilities. But this is the most probable scenario that I'm looking towards. So if it doesn't offer what I'm expecting, then definitely I'll be forced to sit on my hands because this is what I'm having for today, and I wouldn't love seeing it being disrespected. Also, in any scenario that price decides not to respect this zone, it would mean that we would be coming for these levels down here, and that is most unlikely, though I can't rule it out. So that is what I'm having for the dollar. I'm expecting to see higher prices during the FOMC session. Then briefly looking at the pound pair, we are to focus on the sales. Remember when I called out these specific levels, the weekly CB, which was holding price and pushing it lower, and I told you that I wanted to see these bullish fair value gap on the daily being used as an inversion level where price trades through and back into it, then continues to seek this sell side liquidity. And from what we can see, it is very evident that the zone has been actually behaving as I was expecting it. So I am still expecting to see lower prices as I come towards this order block here, then eventually the external range sell-side liquidity pool. So this is what I'm having for the GBPUSD. Then XAUUSD, just the same narrative I'm expecting to unfold. Remember, I told you that we were in some sort of a tight range and there was lack of momentum on the daily candles. But what I had said earlier on was that I was expecting this zone to be the immediate draw on liquidity, and I told you all that I was expecting to see lower prices, and this actually unfolded very beautifully On Monday, we had got this candle trading into the bearish order block here. Then Tuesday gave us a bearish day, and today also price has mostly been showing bearish intent. So this is what I'm expecting going into the FOMC press release. I'll want to see once the rate has been announced. I'll be expecting that prices will be coming down here. So if I don't see any model to support my narrative or my bias, I will not engage, because I engage only upon confirmation. Remember that we have to be patient and wait for the release to occur before engaging the markets. So that is all for today. I thought of doing a quick breakdown of what I'm to expect during the FOMC. Then we will see how it will unfold. If you have got a different perspective or idea concerning what may unfold, you're free to comment so that I can listen from you guys. Thank you for your time. Have a beautiful trading session.